Well, friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I am sharing some important cue cards which are often being asked in IELTS exams, and these cards have been sent to me by my students who appeared in IELTS exam in the recent time, in last 3 4 days. And the first cue card is just in front of you. Talk about an instance when you changed your opinion and had to make a new decision. You change your opinion and you had to make a new decision. What was the decision? When and where was it? How did how did people react to that? And how did you feel about that decision later? So I can give you one idea here that you were having very good views about a particular model of car, and you wanted to buy that car only. But when you went to the showroom and there you change your mind, you saw another car over there, and you changed your previous opinion and you focused on the new model of the car. And the family members or the friends who were with you at that time, they were surprised at you, because they got astonished that why you changed your decision, and you satisfied them with your changed opinion. So this can be a good idea over here, or you can say that another idea can be like that. You wanted to study a course, and later on you change your mind and you took another course. Like earlier you thought that you would do non-medical plus two non-medical, and later on you change your mind to commerce. Second cue card is talk about one valuable thing your family kept for a long time. What was it? What did it look like? Why was it important for the family, and explain how you feel about that thing. So valuable thing could be any property, any piece of ornament, or any jewelry item, something like that, any scooter, bike, something like that which you consider important. This topic is same like antique piece. Speak about an antique piece that was lying in your family. So whole topic is in the past tense. The next is talk about a time when someone said something that annoyed you. So you didn't like somebody's comment or somebody's what he or she said, who it was, where it happened, what or she said that annoyed you, and explain why it annoyed you. So one example I can give over here that any friend of yours said that the student who study in English medium schools or CBSE schools, they are always intelligent and smarter than those who study in state boards. For example, Punjab School Education Board. This comment annoyed you and you got angry with your friend. Or you can take any political comment made by someone on any political party. If you're interested in politics, someone said against farmers and you didn't like that opinion. Someone said against a particular religion that was annoying for you. The next is talk about a place in another country where you would like to work for a short time. What place it would be, what kind of work you would like to do, when you would like to go there, and explain why you would like to work there. So here you can take an example like Dubai. I want to move to Dubai to take a driving license over there. That Dubai's driving license is having international acceptability, especially in countries like Canada and America. And I would like to work there for 2 3 years to get that license and experience, and later on I would move to Canada. So this example can be very appropriate here, and you can talk about it. Next is describe a time when you got close to wild animals, where it was, what the animals were doing, who you were with, and describe your feeling when seeing the wild animals. So here you can talk like that you went with your friends for a picnic, or you can say that you went with your friend to his fields, his agricultural fields, and there you saw some wild animals. It could be like wild pigs. They are very common. We call them boar in my area, and wild buffaloes or deers. Deer, you can see, you can talk that the deer were grazing nearby our fields, and that was quite amazing or beautiful scene. So in the further you can develop your topic uh, about the same. Describe a family member you spend a lot of time with. who this person is, what you usually do together, what kind of person he or she is, and explain why you spend the most time with him or her. And the example can be brother, sister, mother. You can say that I like to spend my most of the time with my mother. She's very close to me, and I have a strong bonding with her. I help her in kitchen work, household chores, and other kind of tasks. I also teach my mother how to speak in English, how to use mobile phone, and she teaches me about cooking and knitting, stitching skills. So in this way you can say that I like to spend my most of the time with my mother. And the next is describe a person who is often in the news and who you would like to meet. Who this person is, how you know him or her, and why he or she is often in the news. Explain why you would like to meet him or her. So here you can take an example of a political person like our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, who is always in news, CM of New Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, any sports person, any celebrity from the film industry, and further you can develop your topic why this person is the news and why would you like to meet this person. The next is describe a change that could improve your local area. What the change would be, how the change could be made, what problems are causing the need for this change, and explain how this change would improve your local area. One example could be here that I wanted that the bus stand from should be shifted from the center of the town to the outskirts near the entry point in the town. Actually, the bus stand is in the center, and the roads that are leading to the bus stand are not very wide. So it they often caused a problem like traffic jam or congestion, and the people face a lot of problems at the peak time. Students who are going to school, they got stuck there. So I wanted that the bus stand, who is not very big, very it's a small bus stand, should be shifted because it causes problem of noise and traffic jam. And I think if this is done, it will make my town more beautiful, more convenient, and comfortable for the local residents. So in this way you can develop the idea, or you can say any marketplace should be shifted, any industrial area should be shifted, any dump yard or the place where people throw their rubbish, that should be replaced somewhere or relocated. Describe a challenging thing you have done, when you did it, why you did it, how you had handled this challenge, and explain why you thought it was challenging. So there can be number of challenges. You can take any example like someone challenged you to get 95% marks in mathematics, or overall 95% marks in 10th class, or challenge could be related to hitting six sixes in one over. Challenge could be like that winning a race, jumping, something, some physical challenges in the gym to lift the weight. One of your partner challenge you that you cannot have 100 sit-ups, but you accepted that challenge, and later on you felt some pain in the legs, but you achieved that challenge. So this could be one example here. Next is describe a member of a team that you know about. What team it is, what role in the team this person plays, and explain why you like him or her. So you can take the example of your cricket team. Suppose you had him, if that, and you can talk about the captain of your team, his leadership qualities, his cooperation with the team members, his gutsy attitude. When the team is in the crisis, he performs very well and handles the difficult situations extremely well. Or you can talk about any dance team member that you can imagine the things. If you can talk about any team member at any project work that it has been assigned to you, if you're working in any office, and later on describe his qualities. Next is describe a time when the weather prevented you from doing something. What your plan was, what the weather you were hoping for, what happened, and explain how you felt when you had to change your plans. You wanted to celebrate your birthday party on the terrace of your house, and everything was going well until at 6 p.m. when the dust storm started blowing, and after that it started raining. Your plan for celebration the party on the terrace was spoiled. It rained and rained till 2 hours, and you were not able to enjoy the party. Then you hosted the party downstairs in a room that was not very much enjoyable as you planned for the terrace party. The next one is describe a time you were pleased with your purchase, something you bought and you felt very happy. What it was, where you bought it, what it was for, and explain why it made you happy. You felt happy because you got extra discount. You got the product at 50% discount. Off season discount was there, and you purchased a jacket, a woolen jacket, although it was a summer days now, but you purchased for your next winter, and you got 50% discount. Your family was very happy on that purchase, and you later on realized that it was a right decision to buy that jacket. And there are two more topics. Uh, Describe a part of the city or town you enjoy spending time in, where it is, what it is like, what you do there, and explain why you enjoy spending time there. You can talk about any park, any garden, any restaurant, any library. Describe a time you were pleased with your purchase. So this is already done by me. So thank you for watching this video. These are the new cue cards, and I hope that you enjoy practicing them for your forthcoming exam. Thank you.